All right. It's 𝗧𝗛𝗨𝗏 again, and in today's video, I'm actually bringing something very super amazing to you guys. Now, I know many of us will be wondering, what is this amazing stuff that this guy is bringing to us? Now, guys, you'll be blown away. You would definitely be blown away. Now, what I'll be showing you guys today is just about the power of AI in this present day, in this present time. Now, guys, imagine what AI can do. Imagine the several things AI can do, from robots to ChatGPT to so many other things. Now, this is part of the things AI can actually do. AI simplifies work for us. So many people think AI is here to take away people's job. No, AI is here to actually make us work more effectively and efficiently. If you know how to use AI, your workload is definitely going to come down. Yes, it's going to make work seamless for you. And this is the reason I'm making this video. Now, guys, the amazing thing I said I'll be showing you is actually about a website, an AI tool that has been integrated into the website, whereby you can actually use this AI tool on that website to create a website for your own self. Now, what do I mean? You can actually go to this website, you can sign up with them, and you can use their inbuilt AI tool to set up a website design for yourself without even designing anything. Now, guys, many people might be thinking, how is this possible? Of course it's possible, because I'll be taking you to the website now. So what you can actually do on a website is you can actually sign up with them. You can subscribe to their payment plan, whereby you host your website with them. That is, if you don't have a website that you are using for your business, you can actually create a website with them and start running traffic or sending visitors to that website which you have built with this website I'm going to show you now. Guys, not to further complicate everything I'm explaining, I'll be taking you right into this website I'm talking about that uses AI tool to help people build AI. Now, go to your URL bar, your browser's URL bar. Now I want you to type in MIXO.io. As simple as that. Click on it. So when you get to the website, you will have to sign up with them. Very, very important. You have to sign up. So let me see if I can quickly walk you through the sign up process. So you can actually click on login, but you can proceed with generate your website. As you proceed, you'll be prompted to submit your email, because you have to create an account before you use it. So it's a way for them to generate leads. So you can actually click on generate your website, but I will be showing you how to sign up. I already have accounts with them, which I'll be using to walk you through this process. So you can click on login. Let me go to login. So once you click on login like this, it brings you here. Then you type in whatever it is you want to type. I'm very sure after this stage, it's going to ask you to submit your email after dropping the website description, but I actually don't want to proceed. I want to sign in the accounts that I've created with them. Now I'll be going back to one of the pages I've opened. Let me try to I've already been signed in. As you can see, I've been signed in. But in your own case, if you click on the generate your website like we saw the other time, this particular link is going to bring you still to this place. Then you have to describe what your business looks like, startup idea. So you can say a digital marketing agency. I'll just make things short, very, very short, so I won't be detailed. Digital marketing agency. I'm not saying I won't be detailed. I'll be detailed, but I will not be so in-depth, because it's something you can actually jump on and try several times for yourself. You can try several times and perfect it, but I'll make sure I walk you through the basics you need to actually maximize this particular tool. So you can say the startup idea, digital marketing agency focused on helping small businesses to start, build, grow, and scale massively online. Massively online. Let's just leave it as short as this. Okay, or let's say as well as generating more revenue. Okay, let's just leave it this way. Now we can click on generate sites. So in your own case, once you click on generate sites, it's actually going to ask you to drop your email and maybe some other stuffs, so you have to create an account with them. That's actually not a problem. As you can see, it's saying designing a logo, generating website pages, loading your sites, and at this point it's going to ask you to input your email, but I actually have an account with them, so I'm not going to be doing that. So as you can see, guys, can you just imagine now, what do you think this kind of AI can do for you? Now let's say you are a beginner in the website designing space. This is actually a way to generate creative ideas. Yes, you don't have to start. I know there are website builders or CMS like WordPress that would give you templates to work with, a lot of templates to work with, but at times you might just not want to use those templates and you might decide to explore something else, just like this website. So it gives you a basic website design that you can actually imitate, or that you can actually follow as a full step to build with your own website page builder. You understand, like Elementor or other page builders. So it gives you an idea of what a website can look like. You understand? So you can even get beyond an idea. You can get the words you can use, the images you can use. As you can see, as it is, let me try to make it bigger. Okay, I think I just let me go back. Let me see, loading my sites. Okay, I'm yet to save. Oh, it actually, okay, still the same thing. So I'm yet to save. Let me save and customize. So you click on save and customize. So as I was saying, guys, this is actually a great way to get creativity, yeah, to get idea into what you can build. So you just scroll down and say you want to continue with the free plan, so you get ideas of what you can actually insert. In fact, if you have an already existing website, you can use this means to get more ideas. You understand, more ideas on what you can add to your website. So as you can see, it has created a website for me. Let me try to, okay, let me try to maximize. Let me use this. As you can see, this is the full website page, this is the full view, and I want to believe this is the home page. So you can click here to minimize it, then go to pages and further create other pages. You can further create other pages like your about source page, your products page, as you can see. But I'll be exercising with the service page now, and I will be showing us how to create an about page as well. So let's begin with the service page. What we do: explain a business offering, showcases its benefits, and driving customers engagement. Okay, service name, we can say Facebook advertising. That's what I know how to do best. Service description: boost sales using a special targeting strategy that allows you find your customers wherever they are online, particularly on the Facebook platform. Okay, let's leave it this way. You can actually come up with something nicer than that. Keywords, let's say advertising, marketing, Facebook ads, boost sales. Let's leave it this way. Has it gone beyond? Okay, let's leave it this way. Advertising, marketing, Facebook ads, boost sales. So once you are done giving descriptions like this, you can go ahead and click on generate. Let's see what the AI can come up with as far as the service page is concerned. Okay, it has given us something for the service page. So it's saying boost your small business online. Start, build, grow, and scale your business with our digital marketing expertise. Okay, this is the home page. So it's still generating the service page. So let's just be a bit patient. So before that is being done, so guys, as you can see, this is the power of AI in this recent world. As we know, ChatGPT is presently doing a lot, and we have a lots of AI tools that are even more sophisticated than ChatGPT. You understand? I'll be dropping more video revealing to us so many AI tools that can assist us in our journey online as we explore the online space. So guys, as you can see, the service page is actually ready now. So let's click on it and see what an amazing page this AI has come up with for us. Okay, loading your site, loading editor. So it's actually getting things together. Wow, this is amazing. This is amazing. Service details. Okay, so it's created the business name for us with a logo. So service, Facebook advertising, digital boosts. Okay, digital boost is the name of the business. Is a digital marketing agency focused on helping small businesses to start, build, as you can see. So our special targeting strategy allows you to find your customers wherever they are online, particularly on the Facebook platform. Oh, as I've described, get started, learn more. So can you imagine this kind of idea now? The images, you can see boosting sales online, specialized Facebook advertising, boost sales with our specialized Facebook advertising services. As you can see, increase sales. Further explanation, with our targeted advertising strategies, we can help you increase your sales online. As you can see, boost business growth. As you can see, more revenue, expertise, as you can see. So guys, this is a way for you to get ideas. This is a way for you to come up with creative designs, creative words that are engaging, that would spell out what your service looks like online. As you can see, find your customers. As you can see, targeted advertising, sales boosting, that's specifically what they do. Business scaling, revenue generation. As simple as that, guys. Can you see how amazing this tool is? Can you see how amazing this tool is? So this is something you can actually leverage on. So we've created an home page, a service page. Now let's create another page. Let's do the about us page. So yourself, you can go ahead and create some other pages like the landing page, the product page, but I'll just be illustrating with this few pages. So about us, we have a team of experts, we have a team of digital marketing experts that are vast in different areas and aspects of online marketing, ranging from Google ads, Facebook ads, and SEO optimization. I just had to come up with something like that, you understand? So that's just it. Company vision. The vision is still to help describe your vision and your company brief. It's still to help small businesses grow and scale their online business. As simple as that. So keywords, Google ads, Facebook ads, still the same keyword. So you just have to be creative with it. SEO optimization is just for you to be able to get ideas, you understand. So you can grab ideas from this website or from this tool and use to build your own websites, or at least pick one or two things and add to your own website. So it's actually something that will make your work seamless. So AI is not here to take anybody's job or to take anybody's work away from them. They are here to actually make things easy for you, to reduce your workload, as you can see. So let's see. Okay, let's generate page. Let's see what they can come up with for an about us page. Let's see what they can come up with for an about us page. So guys, let's examine the ones we have created. This is the home page. I hope the about us page is loading. Let's see. Okay, still generating. Oh, I think it's done now. So let's see what they've been able to come up with for the about us page. Loading editor. About Digital Boost. Welcome to Digital Boost, a digital marketing agency with a mission to help small businesses thrive online. We are a team of digital marketing experts specializing in various areas such as Google Ads, Facebook ads, and SEO optimization. Wow, this is amazing. At least you can pick one or two things, and that's just it, guys. Our team is dedicated to helping small businesses start, build, grow, and as you can see. So just read through them, and trusted by many. This is an idea, something you can actually create on your own website. Our values, you see. So these are the values generated by the AI. So you can read through it. If there's any corrections you want to make, at least this is the essence of AI. It's going to give you the content, then you add that human touch to it. So now marketing, this is marketing, as you can see. Our team, as you can see. So guys, what do you think about this AI? You can drop your view in the comment section. Let me know what you feel about it, and let me know how helpful this is going to be. So with this, guys, I'll be ending the video here. Like I said, you can further go ahead to create more pages. Click on pages, then click on new page. Then you can create a landing page, as you can see, a landing page, a product page, and maybe some other things like that. Pricing page, privacy policy. So guys, like I said, I'll be coming to the end of this video now. I want to believe you enjoyed it. I remain 𝗧𝗛𝗦𝗨𝗘. Make sure you are always staying safe. Goodbye for now.